Back of my house there's a trail that won't end. We went walking so far that it grew back in. Now there's no trail at all, only grass growing tall. I'll get out my machete and battle with time once again. But I'm bound to lose, 'cause I'll be damned if time don't win. Gotta get home, there's a garden to tend. All the seeds from the fruits buried and began. Their own family trees teach them thank you and peace. They spread their own roots, then watch the young fruits grow again. This old trail will lead me right back to where